Hello class. Today we are going to learn how to replace basic English words with advanced ones. Let's begin. Let's read together. So the first one is drink. Don't always say drink. Try sip or gulp. For example, basic English, he drank water quickly. Advanced English, he gulped the water quickly. Instead of walk, you can say stroll or wander. For example, basic English, we walked in the park. Advanced English, we strolled in the park. Replace run with sprint or dash. For example, basic English, the boy ran fast. Advanced English, the boy sprinted fast. Instead of look, say glance or observe. For example, basic English, she looked at me. Advanced English, she glanced at me. Replace see with notice or spot. For example, basic English, I saw a star. Advanced English, I noticed a star. Great work! Start using these advanced words to sound smarter in English. See you in the next class.